Assalamualaikum guys, Muizwa is here and today we are another shop. 杨哥，今天我们要去哪儿呢？
吉祥楼，他们家。
Oh, so Yanga was telling me we were gonna go to the Jixianglou. It's a traditional style Chinese food, and today we are here to eat. 好的，那杨哥咱们进去看一看吧。走啊 ，Let's go guys. Okay guys, so हम अंदर जा रहे हैं और अब हम देखते हैं कि अंदर सब कैसा है. So let me guys show you the dining table. See, isn't it looks beautiful? The traditional style, the actual style, how Chinese people used to sit and eat. Because this place is a traditional eating place. Rest of the restaurants are not like this because they are the simple. In China, you can find the fresh fishes. You can just select the fish and after that they will take this fish out and then cook it and then present it to you. Again, I'm here, so let me set my hair first. So guys, I'll show you the next way. On my left side, see guys, the big dining table. This is a big dining table for almost 15 people. We can sit in here, we can eat and we can enjoy. See the beauty of this room, this dining table. You can hang over your clothes in here and then you can sit here and have food. I personally like this place because it looks gorgeous. This is the small one for almost 6 to 7 people. And there is, you see, air conditioner is over there. 而且 आपको गर्मी वगैरह लग रही हो तो आप मतलब ये भी चला सकते हैं。那杨哥，你帮我一下，你帮问我一下，他们有什么好吃的，好不好？
你们这边有什么好吃的吗？
啥都好吃啊。
主打的菜品就是，比方说咱们家主打的菜，我看那个菜谱上有是吗？这个湖南菜是不是以辣椒为主？就是
对，
基本都比较辣是吗？
对，但是在这边的话，已经和这边的差不多融合了。 变成微辣了。
我们想点几款主打的菜品，有没有？你给我推荐一下，有没有主打的？
这个的话是我们那边的特色，基本上辣椒炒肉，每个店都会有。
湖南辣椒炒肉是吗？
对。
这个辣椒是咱们当地的吗？不是吧？
食材都是你们当地所卖的，是跟我们那边辣度它这个更倾向于你们这边的辣度。
哦，辣度是我们这边。
So guys. Younger asked them a question and he was helping me to ask them different type of questions. So he was telling like these guys, because they are from the Hunan province, this food is specially from Hunan. 好的，杨哥，咱们一块变一下，然后咱们尝一尝。
对，然后咱们点几个菜
啊，可以的。
我请你
啊，那就特别好。那还是给我找找别的菜吧。
对，贵的便宜的随便点。
好的，那哥。 你还有面，
鱼头
啊，鱼头还是面，这个是一起做的。
没有，先把鱼头蒸出来，后面放的面。
这叫汤汁，鱼头泡面。
剁椒鱼头，这叫剁椒。
Guys, see this one. This is also the fish head, and the way they are doing, you can see, guys, there are lots of chili on the top. This person, he was telling me, this guy used to first cook the head of the fish and after that they add a lot of spices and then there is some noodles too. Chinese people really like noodles, so this food gonna be delicious. And let's see some other foods too because I want to increase my information too. 那哥你还给我找找最好吃的，你们家的最好吃的是哪个？
最好吃。
对，我们想点最好吃的。
都好吃，都是最好吃。
是，都是最好吃的，是最好吃的。This guy he was telling me, these guys are having really delicious food, different types of food, and every food is delicious. But I'm interested in finding the most delicious one. So I asked him, and he's saying, wait a moment, he gonna let me find a delicious dish. So let's see which one is the most delicious one.
这个也好吃，臭鳜鱼
啊，臭鳜鱼。杨哥，你喜欢这个臭鳜鱼吗？你吃过吗？
我没吃，我吃过鱼，但是没吃过他们家这个臭
臭
鳜鱼就是
臭鳜鱼。
秋尾鱼. Younger already have eaten different types of fishes, but he haven't tried this type of fish because in this dish they are having a fish with different type of spices and corn inside with some आप कह सकते हैं शोरबे के साथ बहुत ही मज़ेदार. इस वक्त मैंने अभी इनकी थोड़ी देर पहले किचन में जाकर देखा था. यहाँ पर जो खाना बनाया जा रहा है बहुत ही साफ़ सुथराई से बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से बनाया जा रहा है. और यहाँ पर इस वक्त मैं आपको दिखा तो नहीं सकता मगर मैं आपको बता ज़रूर सकता हूँ कि इस वक्त इनके पूरे इस प्लेस में खुशबू फैली हुई है जो मेरी खाने की भूख को और बढ़ा रही है. सो वी विल नॉट वेट फॉर दैट मच लॉन्ग, वी विल स्टार्ट सून. Guys, this is beef too. See? This is kind of bread. In Chinese they call it mantung. Okay guys, now we're gonna start. We're gonna eat. I'll let you guys see. It's delicious. Actually, it's very spicy. It's all the spices on the head. I will show you guys. See? All the spices. Red chili. A little spicy, but it's really delicious. You see? There's some noodles too. So guys, I'm gonna eat now. I will meet you guys at the end of the video. So friends, you see we have eaten. It was really delicious food. We will ask our friend Yang how he feels.
对，
杨哥，你吃的怎么样？
我已经吃撑了，现在
吃饱了，
吃的特别好。你喜不喜欢吃这个香菜？
特别喜欢，还是这个味道特别好。
下次还来同家。
So friends, we have finished now. I'm gonna go back and I will see you in the next video. So stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.